Alright, everybody, we are back again. Cold reception is what was next. Whoops. I wish Steam would stop that. No, I'm not interested. Okay.
Shocking news, 007. We've conducted tests on the man who attacked you in the embassy. He was more than just an imposter. He was an exact genetic duplicate.
Yep, I figured. They had clones going on. He looked way too close to be an imposter.
Computer mentioned a company, Malprave Industries, based in Switzerland, a leader in bioengineering technology. It fits the evidence that Malprave Industries is involved in the illegal advancement of human cloning. Bond, your mission is to infiltrate Malprave Industries and collect any incriminating information. You'll be posing as Mr. Somerset, a journalist who has arranged an interview with the company's reclusive owner and CEO. Once inside, look for evidence that will give us an indication of Malprave's plans.
Hello, 007. For this mission, we've provided you with a micro camera for photographing sensitive materials. Your Q decryptor can be used to hack into Malprave's computer mainframes. In addition, I've equipped you with a
Man, I feel like it'd be cool to do this stuff in real life. It'd be terrifying, but it'd be cool.
Which can then be used to remotely control the matching machine or computer.
Bum 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 bum. Oh, that's the lady I found changing.
Mr. Somerset?
That means she would know I'm not.
Way, please.
That means she would know I'm not Mr. Somerset. Like, she just found me. Or, I just found her, actually. You know what I mean.
I'm afraid your interview with Ms. Malprave has been delayed. In the meantime, you can enjoy the view.
Well, he's not enjoying...
I already am.
Yeah, that's what I thought. He's not enjoying the view outside.
I previously met Adrian Malprave. She was in the embassy in Romania.
Then you'd better collect your information and get out, 007. You have only a limited amount of time before they'll notice that you're gone. Find your evidence and get out of the base before they seal you in.
But I only have 15 minutes. Okay. And a silencer on my gun. What happens when I push this button? I don't need to open the other doors? Alright. I'm just gonna go. Peace out. Bean sprouts.
The satellite imagery should be in plain sight.
Oh, don't jump. Crouch. Ba-da-ba-da-da. The satellite imagery. Aha. Oh. Alright, is there anybody... Alright, no, that's not what I need. I need... Ah! Oh, did he leave? Did somebody else... I'm glad I didn't get out of here. Where are you going? Get out. Leave. Leave this place. Thank you. Oh, shit. Oh, shoot. Sorry. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. I can get out. Alright, I need a camera.
Interesting.
Camera. Nope. Camera. No. I thought I could move that. I guess I can't. Oh. Let me in. Woo! I made it before he came back. Alright, what do I need to kill him separately. Is he dumb? He's dead. I'd like to have your weapon, though. Yeah. That's what I wanted. Oh, my. Okay. Oh, shit! Kill him! Why you just stare? Gimme. Let me crouch. Let me in. All right. I need to take a picture of that. Is there anything in here I need to... I thought I heard a door. Is there anything in here I need to take a picture of? I don't think so. It's in there with that goofball. Door shut.
Bond, you must get out of there.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Let me. Got it. Not hiding now. Ah! Oh, he scared me. Jump scare. Okay.
Well done, 007. You've just bought yourself
Woo!
some time.
Thank God. Thank God I just bought myself some time. Die. Oh, reloading right there was a bad plan, 007. I don't want to sound the alarm. Let me in. Okay. Ooh, run this way.
Drop your weapon.
No, I don't think I will. Oh, shit. Okay. I'm trying not to curse some. Ah! These people jump scared me. Alright, I need this thing. Yep. Okay.
All personnel, shoot Mr. Bond on sight.
Oh, great. Alright, so no need to be sneaky now. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Open the door. I'm out of here.
007, now get out of there.
Yep, I plan on it, lady. I'm good. Goodbye. Get back here. No, I'm good. He almost sounded like Rick Grimes. Get back here. Can I be sneaky again?
Here. Hey, you.
Hey, you! Don't sound the alarm. Oh, come on. Come on. Yeah, even if I put it down, you're still gonna shoot me.
Seal the doors before he escapes.
Don't you seal the doors. No. Bad. I wanna... Yeah. Why are you on your knees shooting me? You're literally right there. I want to see if that gives me a... No. I thought it would give me like a Bond move. But it didn't. That's okay. That's okay. I walk upstairs very slow. Why are you gonna do that to me? Oh, Q-Claw, Q-Claw, Q-Claw. Come on. Okay. Making sure there's nothing else to do, nothing else to grab. Because everybody is dead. You gonna tell me you didn't hear that gunfire? Buddy. You just standing there like nothing happened.
The base doors are sealed, Bond. You'll have to find an alternate route around them.
Okay. I've already found it. Just let me up here. Ah! Okay. Alright. I guess I gotta go this way. I don't know. I guess I'll figure it out. Yep. Oh. Where's my... There it is. He was scratching his butt when I killed him. Okay, does this thing also do that? I think I might have to be closer.
Bond, use your Q remote on the control
Oh,
panel.
Q
It should
remote.
override the door mechanism.
Heck yeah. Oh, nope, they see me. Ba-da-da-da-ba-dum. Woo! Ouch. Ouch. Oh, I can't go downstairs, evidently. You're dead. Shoot you in the face. Ow! Listen, like 12 against 1 is not fair. Ow. No, I'm good. Okay, where do I gotta go? I'm gonna go back up here and find out. Oh. Ow. The aiming mechanism is also very strange. Because, you know, I mean, as a kid, I'd probably be okay. But over the years, I've played... Okay, thank you. Over the years, I've played, you know, newer games. Stuff like that happens. Open the door. Ooh! You're a big boy. Oh, you missed. I'm standing in front of you, and you missed.
Get him off before he reaches the tram line.
I'm standing in front of you, and you missed. Dead. Dead. Ha ha ha. Standing in front of you, and you miss. How? How do you do that?
The tram cable, Bond. It's your only chance.
Oh. Okay, I did it. I thought I fell. I thought I fell and screwed it. That was a longer mission. I took 2.5 minutes longer than what it thinks I should do. A bronze medal. I thought I did well. Knight of the Jackal. Alright, let's see what this one's about.
The data you retrieved in Switzerland includes a file titled Damaged Goods. We believe this is a code word for Dr. Natalia Damascu, a scientist formerly in the employ of Malprave. Dr. Damascu escaped with a data chip containing information on something known as Poseidon. Fearing for her life, she has taken refuge in the British Embassy in Romania.
Okay.
There is evidence that Malprave has
That's the lady that killed my
the
friend.
Embassy and kidnapped Dr. Damascu. Bond, you must prevent her from being kidnapped.
007, I've secured a room in an upper floor apartment around the corner from the embassy. You'll have to get past a sniper on the tree-lined street to get into the apartment. I'll provide you with a device that will allow you to infiltrate the embassy.
Okay. Knight of the Jackal. I love statues.
Malprave is going to attempt direct assault on
I
the
love
embassy.
refrigerators.
Their target is Dr. Natalia Damascu, who used to work for Malprave. She has a data chip indicating the location of something known as Poseidon. Make sure that Dr. Damascu is not captured.
Unless they know what you look like, I've always said pretend like you belong, and no one will question, like, your... My. Ah! Oh! Someone's shooting me with rockets! Someone is shooting me with rockets! Someone is shooting me with rockets! Golly! Jeez! What? Oh, I'm supposed to kill them. Oh, now you all run my direction. Dead. Stop with the grenades. Dead. Owie. Owie. Dead. No. Oh. Ooh. Okay. As long as I can skip it. Alright, they crashed the bus. Now that I know what's going on, I need this. Dead. Ah! Gosh! They just won't die! Ah, they're gonna kill me! Gimme! Die, please. Thank you. Woo! I need some health. Is there any health anywhere? I really need to kill this guy. Oh, well that was easy. Alright, he's dead. Woo! I'm running.
Bond, the terrorists control the front of the
Ow,
building and
ow.
have taken civilian hostages. You'll need to take an alternate route
Dead.
to ensure their
Ow.
safety. Use the safe house on the other
Don't
side
kill
of the
me,
embassy.
please. I've come this far.
Further instructions upon your arrival.
Ow. I need armor. Oh, oh no. Oh no. This is bad. Dead. Okay. Q-Claw. I need armor. Please. I understand this, James Bond, but you're almost dead. Oh, whatever. It's your funeral. Ooh, almost. Jump. Oh, jump. Okay. I need armor. Oh. Okay. Sure, we can just take a break and watch this.
Ah, yes. The latest in holographic technology.
You're a jerk.
I thought that would catch your eye, 007. Now pay attention. This ordinary-looking business card contains circuitry that will turn your watch into a skeleton key for digital locks. Its beam will disrupt any digital encryption. Quite clever, I dare say.
Well, I'm glad you think so. I want to see if this other door is unlocked. Nope. Gosh, I need armor bad. If I get so far into this and I die, I'm gonna be upset. Or will it send me back to the objectives? I don't know what it will do. I think I gotta go over here. Objective complete. So hopefully if I die, I'll just come right back here. Oh, yes. Gimme. Oh! Do I have a... I mean, that works. I'll use this. Oh, 2 shot and you're dead? Heck yeah. Keep your head covered, ma'am. Never fear. James Bond is here. Just checking. Alright. Oh, I almost shot the hostage. My bad. Dead. Dead. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, ow. I didn't know you were here. Let me... Whoops. Let me in. Dead. Ooh, I could have used a grenade. Probably couldn't have. I would have killed them. Don't cry. It's okay. Don't worry. Hey, look. It's one of them dinosaur computers. I grew up playing on one of those. That's so cool. I mean, that just shows you how old this game is. That's what people had. So they put it in the game. That's awesome, I think. Let me out. Let me out. Okay, don't let me out. Whatever. Yep, that's me. I'm the guy. Excuse me. I am the guy. Oh, well. Oh, hi. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Oh, that's a nice gun, too. I thought that was a secret door. I remember that. I remember that part. Oh, hello.
They've taken the data chip containing the information on Poseidon.
Okay. Good to know. Oh, wait. Oh, I just saw the armor as I turned. Can I go back? I want to go back. Oh. No, shoot the barrels. There we go. Oh, I got armor anyway.
Well.
Yep, the famous James Bond. Die. Run. Run! Ow. Done! I'm getting revenge for my friend that you... Uh-oh. That you so rudely... killed. Can I throw a grenade? Throw a grenade, Bond! Oh, shoot. You didn't throw it high enough, you idiot. No. Ha! Ha 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 ha! Where's the... Ah! Stop! Dead. Ooh, why was it green? Ooh.
Bond, did you encounter the Jackal? What happened?
She's fallen for me.
Ha 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 ha. She's fallen for me. Let me up here. I think I gotta go this way. Did you encounter the Jackal? I sure did. She's fallen for me. Ooh. Shoot it! Shoot the helicopter! Shoot it out of the sky! Shoot the helicopter out of the sky! Oh! Oh, let me run, let me run, let me run, let me run, let me run! Let me... What is this? Where's Marlin 22? Where's that? Oh! Where is it? There it is. Where is it? There it is. Come back. Woo! I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Ow! Oh, there it is. There it is. Give me that gun. Woo! Woo! Give me that ammo. Ammo? Armor? That's what I meant to say. No, don't you come back. Come back. Come back. Don't. Going down. It's going down for real. Give me this. Where'd you go? Going down for real. It's gonna crash. Oh, oh, I didn't expect it to. No! Oh, I still got the mission Are you kidding? I got the mission complete, and because the helicopter landed on my head, it's gonna make me redo this? That is some BS. Well, well, the famous James Bond. Yes, it's me. And I'm pissed. I've already encountered you once. Ow. And I beat the helicopter. But this game is dumb. Yeah, let me just stand here. Are you joking? Oh! Ow! My bad, Chief. Yep, keep coming. Keep coming, you crazy jackal lady. Goodbye. I cannot believe I got the mission complete and it's making me redo it because the helicopter landed on my head.
She's fallen for me.
How is that my fault? Bro, I'm getting that Marlin first. That's what I'm doing. Give me this. Oh, I can't take that yet. I need it to stop moving. I don't know where that song came from. Ow, ow, ow. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah. Take that. Where you at? Woo! Ooh, you about shot me with rockets. Die. Die, 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 die. I'm gonna stand over here and shoot it this time. Fall. Fall down. Ah! Please don't land on my head again. I don't want to do this again. Go down. Go down. Go down. It's going down. It's... There we go. I lived this time. Am I going to get the complete? Okay. Thank goodness. All right. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-ba-da-bum. All right. I will catch you guys in the next one.